Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard disappeared in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then here you can see the option keyboard and input method. Now click on it and then here you can see the option current keyboard. Now click on current keyboard and here you can set your keyboard as default. After set your keyboard as default, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then here enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.